Hello and welcome to day 3 of our advanced yoga trapeze tutorial series. We are going to be working on our upper body strength today. So let's go ahead and get started. I took off my hammock for today. You can totally keep yours on, but I just got it so it's out of the way. Then we're going to stand nice and tall, and then we're going to do big, fast swinging arm circles. Beautiful, and then go ahead and let them swing down, and then other direction. Beautiful, and slowly rocking to relaxed. Nice. And then we'll go ahead and do some shoulder shrugs. So bringing the shoulders up by the ears and then back down, together behind the back, away from the ears. Up, down. Eight, 9, 10. Beautiful. So now we'll go ahead and do some shoulder flosses. You can take one strap, or if you still have your hammock attached, you can just grab your hammock, and then bringing your hands nice and wide, going back and forward. Nice. Maybe if I do both of these. Nine and 10. Beautiful. So then we'll go ahead and grab for our highest handles, and then we're going to let our knees drape down. Our shoulders can come up by our ears, and then what we're going to do is shrug the opposite direction to lift up out of our shoulders. 8 more times. And 1. Beautiful. And go ahead and release and shake that out. So we're going to shake out the wrists a bit. And then we'll take your left hand, point it, fingers down, palm facing away. Grab your fingers, including your thumb, with a little bend in your elbow. Gently pull back on those fingertips. Shoulders are plugged into their sockets. Breathe. And then keep your fingers facing down. Turn your palm to face you. Pull in. And then fingers face up, palm out, pull back. Slight bend in that elbow. And then now rotate the thumb so that way the palm faces in, fingers are still up. Gently pull in. Beautiful. Relax and shake it out. Other side. Micro bend in that elbow, plug the shoulder into the socket. If we lock out our joints, we stop the communication to that part of our body from our brain. So stay online, stay locked in, breathe, and then facing the palm towards you, fingers come down. And then flip those fingers up like you're saying stop. Pull them back towards the forearm. And then release, turn that thumb out so that way palm faces in, and pull the fingertips towards the forearm. And then slowly release. Do some nice big arm circles. Nice. And other direction. And then small. Other direction, small. Perfect. Kind of shake everything out. So now we're gonna come to do some isometric holds here. So I'm gonna grab my handle with both hands, the highest one that I can. And then I'm really, just like when we did our shoulder shrugs, so I guess you guys are advanced. We know how to do this. Inhale, exhale, come to a tuck and hold. Inhale, slowly release, 30 seconds. Woo! You can take that handle, lean into it, let the heart come through. Beautiful. And back up. Nice. Go ahead and shake out the shoulders a little bit. Then we're gonna come to single arm hangs. So choose which side you want to start on. I'll start on my not as strong side. Try and hold for 10 to 15 seconds or 30 if you can make it all the way. So I'm going to grab my wrist with my opposite hand. Inhale, exhale. Inhale down. Nice. Other side. Inhale, exhale, inhale, release. Nice. Shake out those arms. Beautiful. Taking those handles, let your chest come through your arms. Breathe here. You can even gently rock side to side. Beautiful. Hang down through the middle for a moment. Inhale, slowly sit back up. You can grab for the middle handles. This time clasping your fingers together, stretching out. Wonderful. So then now we're going to go ahead and put our feet. You want to put your left leg, if you're facing your straps, your left leg into like the right strap, because we're going to roll over and face the ground. So then my other leg is going to come under and through. We're going to flip over. Now we are in a floating plank. Nice and strong. Inhale here. We're gonna do 10 push-ups. Exhale. Seven, 8, 10. Beautiful. Set your knees down. Grab for those straps again, the middle straps. Let the belly come through. Gentle back bend, chest opener. Inhale, slowly release one at a time. And then we'll go ahead and roll over. So take your legs into the same straps now, left to left, right to right. And then we're going to sit back, take your hands right behind your shoulders, underneath your elbows, Inhale, lift your heart. Exhale, dip back and up. 2. If you want to add to this, you can bring your knees in every time you sit up. I don't need to yell because I have a microphone. 7, 8, 9, 10. Beautiful. We'll set those elbows down, lift through the heart, let the back of the head drop. Nice. Inhale, slowly sit up. Take those legs out from the straps, and then we'll stand up. We'll clasp our fingers behind the back, forward fold, let the arms come overhead. Inhale, slowly sit up, release, gentle shake. Kick ass. Way to get the third video done. Stay tuned for day 4 and day 5, where we're gonna do longer full on trapeze flows. Have a beautiful day. Namaste.